Hello guys, this is Sauthabh Datto and welcome to our channel 1-2 Teaching. Welcome to the next video of LCM and HCF. Today we will discuss some methods and some previous year competitive exam questions and their solutions. Firstly, I will introduce the prime factorization method of LCM very briefly. To find the LCM in prime factorization method, we will take a factor which is common in at least two numbers and then reduce the numbers by the factor. After taking all the common factors, we will multiply the common factors and the residue to find the LCM. Now we will find the HCF of the same numbers in prime factorization method. To find the HCF, we will take those factors which are common in all the terms and then multiply the factors only to find the HCF. Now we will introduce two formulas. The first formula is LCM of fractions equal to LCM of numerators by HCF of denominators. The application of this formula is the LCM of 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 9 by 8 is LCM of numerators, that is LCM of 3, 6, 9 by HCF of denominators, that is HCF of 4, 7, 8. Now LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is 18 and HCF of 4, 7 and 8 is 1. Therefore, the LCM of 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 9 by 8 is simply 18. Our next formula is HCF of fractions equal to HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. Now to find HCF of 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 9 by 8 is HCF of numerators, that is HCF of 3, 6, 9 by LCM of denominators, that is LCM of 4, 7, 8. Now we know HCF of 3, 6, 9 is 3, whereas LCM of 4, 7, 8 is 56. Therefore, the HCF of 3 by 4, 6 by 7 and 9 by 8 is 3 by 56. Our next problem is find the LCM and HCF of 2 cube into 3 into 5 square into 7, comma 2 to the power 4 into 3 square into 5 into 7 square into 11 and 2 into 3 cube into 5 to the power 4. Here to find LCM, we will take the highest power of each term, that is 2 to the power 4, 3 cube, 5 to the power 4, 7 square, 11 to the power 1 and then multiply them. To find the HCF, we will take the lowest power of each term, that is 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 and then multiply them. Let's introduce with our next formula, that is first number into second number equal to HCF into LCM. Its application is the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 2310 and 30 respectively. If one number is 210, find the other. Railways 2006. Now we will know that first number into second number equal to HCF into LCM. From this we can write the corollary, that is second number equal to HCF into LCM by first number. Putting the value of HCF, LCM and first number in the respective places, we can find the second number, that is 30 into 2310 by 210 equal to 330. Our next problem is the LCM of two numbers is 12 times their HCF. The sum of HCF and LCM is 403. If one number is 93, find the other number. MBA 2007. Here we will first assume HCF is x. Therefore LCM is 12 times their HCF, that is 12x. Now according to question, the sum of HCF and LCM is 403. That is x plus 12x equal to 403. Solving this we will get x equal to 31. So we can write HCF equal to 31 and LCM equal to 31 into 12, that is 372. Now we have HCF, LCM and first number, and we will have to find the second number. Putting the values in the respective places, we will get the second number, that is 31 into 372 by 93 equal to 124. Our next problem is the sum of two numbers is 45. Their difference is 1 by 9 of their sum. Find their LCM. SSC 2007. Now, the sum of the two numbers is 45. Difference is 1 by 9 into 45, that is 5. So, now we will find the two numbers. The first number is sum plus difference by 2, that is 45 plus 5 by 2 equal to 25, and the second number is sum minus difference by 2, that is 45 minus 5 by 2, that is 20. Now we will find the LCM of 25 and 20, which is 100. Please subscribe our channel 1 to N Teaching and click the bell button to get notifications. Please like this video, drop your comment and share this video.